Hello friends! Today, we're going to create 3 beautiful sunset paintings, step by step. Let's get started. Painting 1, the first sunset scene 1. Creating the background, apply yellow, light yellow, white, and red paint directly onto the paper. Use a brush to blend the colors smoothly to create a soft gradient. 2. Adding distant elements, use brown to paint some distant hills or trees. 3. Drawing the sun, paint a white setting sun. For the foreground details, use black. 2. Painting 2, the second sunset scene 1. Creating the background, use yellow, white, and orange to create a blended sky with a brush. 2. Adding the sun, use white to paint the setting sun in the middle. 3. The foreground trees, add black silhouettes of trees with branches for depth. Painting 3, the third sunset scene 1. Creating the background, blend orange, brown, red, yellow, and white to form a rich sunset sky. 2. Painting the sun, use white to add a glow. Which sunset painting is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.